welcome. You're with IndiaPostLive.com, India's first live conversation web television. This is a portal where you can join us, talk to us about all the stories that are trending on social media and all the offbeat stories that traditional media does not pick up. Of course, our daily show Trend Tonic talks of all the stories which are trending on social media. This is like an update for you in the middle of the day, so you are aware of what exactly is on top of the India's Twitter feeds when it comes to the top stories. All right, so in today's edition of Trend Tonic, of course, the first story is AAP breakup. It is trending as AAP breakup. Now, the Aam Aadmi Party, as you're all aware, is already besieged by infighting. It has suffered 2 new blows. A former MLA has accused Arvind Kejriwal of horse trading, and a very known face, prominent Mumbai face, Anjali Damania, has quit the party amidst these allegations of horse trading. Now, the former MLA Rajesh Garg has also alleged that Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia was in touch with Congress MLAs to try and lure them to float another political party that would support the Aam Aadmi Party, because Arvind Kejriwal was not ready to face the assembly polls. Now, apparently, the party which is known to ask people to conduct its own sting operations against corruption, such as bribery and intimidation. This is a huge blow, because apparently conversations that Arvind Kejriwal had to this effect were recorded by Rajesh Garg using an app. So it seems that AAP itself has been stung. Of course, these allegations of horse trading have been dismissed by the party, and they have said that talking to leaders and political realignments are very common in Indian politics. We did not lure them with money or promises of positions of power. That is what prominent leaders, especially Ashish Khaitan, had to say in defense of the party and Arvind Kejriwal. So AAP breakup is trending right on top of Twitter the entire day. You're all aware, yesterday on traditional media there were television shows where all these issues were taken up, and Ashish Khaitan was vociferously defending Arvind Kejriwal. And he has said that using the term horse trading is harsh, too harsh and irresponsible. We did not lure them with money, nor did we offer them any gains. Political realignments are not new to this country. Basically, the former MLA Rajesh Garg has said that Arvind Kejriwal tried to poach 6 Congress MLAs to form the government in 2014. So these are all the tweets that you can see in reaction to what is happening in the party. Okay, not corruption but skillful financial procurement is what the party will say later. Politics is the art of looking for trouble. All right. Unnecessary is what this person is saying. Maybe now Arvind Kejriwal and all the aptards should come up with some sort of corrupt meter. Gunjan Abhishek, nothing but the truth. You can see a nice cartoon there. Naturopathy can cure disease, not nature. Darwin's theory of evolution. There's going to be a rollback in the evolution theory. All right. Phir Hera Feri. Okay. Abhishek Agarwal. This is what is happening in AAP. Nothing but shameful. Don't blame me, I didn't vote for AAP. Definitely a lot of angry people. Delhi is definitely angry. 67 out of 70 seats. once you repose your faith in a party that has once let you down, again the party seems to be beleaguered with infighting and charges of corruption and whatnot. Well, how Mr. Kejriwal and his supporters will be able to emerge out of this, we shall have to wait and watch. Alright, moving on, of course, the big match today, Cricket World Cup. South Africa versus UAE. That is, of course, another huge trend. Hashtag SA versus UAE. South Africa has won the match by 146 runs. AB de Villiers scored 99. He got out at 99, which was shocking. Nobody could believe it. South Africa couldn't believe it. UAE couldn't believe it. But he returned to take 2 wickets. And South Africa put up a show of clinical precision. They scored 341 for 6. So there was a target of 342, a huge target for UAE. And that, of course, that kind of a target was also helped by the slow bowling that the UAE gave. But the team crumbled and they could not match up, and South Africa has won the Pool B match by 146 runs. Remember, South Africa has been inconsistent so far in the World Cup campaign. They became the first team in history to post successive ODI totals of 400 plus in Pool B. Wins over West Indies and Ireland. However, when it came to India and Pakistan, they were skittled out for 177 against India and 202 against Pakistan, and of course they lost both those matches. So an inconsistent team, but today their performance was something to look at. Though, so okay, this person doesn't agree. He's saying it got me all sleepy and shit. But then definitely I'm sure AB de Villiers, the smashing 99 was surely something that one would love to watch in the highlights. He proves that he's human. He got out on 99. Okay, South Africa's trouble against spin will not go unnoticed by either Sri Lanka or Bangladesh. So they have sealed their place in the quarterfinals now. They have sealed their place in the quarterfinal berth. South Africa should enter the World Cup like Sri Lanka, under the radar, no sensational stories. Do the job, get to the final. Okay. Only AB de Villiers makes up for 1 run by taking 2 wickets. AB has the highest number of sixes in the Cricket World Cup 2015. Impressive, of course. I almost thought they might hurt Tawfiq. Okay. More statistics there coming for you from Tweeples. UAE put up a good fight, but we won. They have officially qualified for the quarterfinals. Like I just told you, they have sealed their berth. Okay, our next trend is something that is wonderful. A random trend on social media, a trend that you guys, all you Tweeples out there, have ensured that that becomes a trend. This is not news. And this trend is good advice in 4 words. This speaks for yourself. If you have some good advice to give to the world, to yourself, to somebody you love in 4 words, what will it be? We have pulled out some interesting advice, some of which I have read and some of which I intend to take very seriously, and some of which you know, some of the advices were reminders to me too. There's some great stuff and some funny stuff coming up there. Good advice in 4 words is what is trending, and you guys have made that a roaring trend today. Don't trust the government, definitely, that's a huge one. Don't ever give up. Like I said, some stuff is really, really inspirational. Always carry a book, says Penguin Books, but of course, pain doesn't last forever. Another inspirational quote. Never underestimate the semicolon. Microsoft developer. Don't think too much. That's 4 words for you. Don't think too much. Mind your own business. Yeah, this is very sane advice. Don't forget to laugh. You have Robin Williams there. Depressed, do charity work. 2 sentences but 4 words. Appreciate what you have. Definitely, that's for all of us out there. Never, always, sometimes don't. Okay, whatever that means. Never doubt Betty White. Okay, a huge fan there of Betty White. Don't drink and drive. Yeah. That's something Delhi police keeps telling us every day. Avoid advice from Twitter. Well, that kind of defeats the purpose, doesn't it? But anyway, don't Google your symptoms, go to the doctor. That's 2 advice for you in 4 words. Don't Google your symptoms, go to the doctor. Find beauty in everything. That's a cute one. Happiness is a choice. Again, inspirational stuff there. Good advice in 4 words. Be kind to animals. What a cute picture. What a cute doggy. Love more, worry less. That is something that you guys have made a trend on Twitter. Good advice in 4 words. So these were the top trends of the day. Of course, the storm, another storm that AAP seems to be facing. The World Cup match that just ended between South Africa and UAE. South Africa won by 146 runs, and good advice in 4 words. If there's any other story that you want to talk about, write into us at indiapostlive.com. Send us your video comments on what you think of these tweets. If there's any other topic that you want to talk about, please tell us about it. We would love to discuss it on the show. And also send us your tweets at #IndiaPostLive and @IndiaPostLive. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.